still working on the dirt bike here. The thing just won't start. So first thing we're gonna do, check to see if the spark plug is still good. I don't know if you guys can see, but she's pretty greasy. What I'm gonna do, just a little. Okay, put it in the thing, hold it to something metal. Me, I'm going to use this because it's pretty good metal. Okay, you hold it there and you crank it like this.
Shouldn't be any compression really, the spark plug's out.
And you look to see if there's a spark. There's none. And then on the spark plug that I checked here. So that means it's either a coil problem for the electric or the magnets here. I'm not sure what you call this.
Magneto? Something like the X-Men type.
Okay. Here is a homemade setup I made a few years back for the magnets in there. It's hard to see. We got the cover off. Okay. This magnet here, right, is supposed to rub against a little magnet that's in there. It's actually held up with this. I can't even see it right now. It's full of gunk in there. Hard to see. So we're going to keep taking some of this shindigs apart and see what's going on in there.
Bruh.
Okay. This is that magnet I was talking about. Okay.
It's a little close, kind of rubbing, but I just started the bike quickly, and it did start.
I think I found the problem. I'm not sure if this was it, but it actually has something to do with the switch.
Holy fuck. Look at that shit. Anyway.
It's got something to do with this little switch here.
And I just put the two wires together. We can either keep it like that, or put another switch. I've got better switches here I can put. So we'll see if that works or not.
Good. Everything should be alright. The wires can't be touching, that's what it is.
Once the wires touch, it's the kill switch. Got it now.
And the switch wasn't working anyways. And it shocked me.
Forget that. Here at 3XM we do things with whatever we have, however we want, whenever we feel like.
So I just taped it up. Didn't even use electrical tape. Just whatever.
I tied a knot in there, and it's perfect. Let's give her a test. Done and done. That's how we do it in 3XM.